Welcome to this video on the demonstratives of Arabic. Demonstratives are rather hard to explain. The Wikipedia article on demonstratives says the following. Many languages, such as English and Chinese, make a two-way distinction between demonstratives. Typically, one set of demonstratives is proximal, indicating objects close to the speaker, English this, and the other series is distal, indicating objects further removed from the speaker, English that. Arabic, like the languages listed in this quote, makes a two-way distinction between demonstratives. Arabic demonstratives have case, number, and gender. Gender and number have already been explained in the video on personal pronouns, and case will be explained in a subsequent video. The forms of the proximal or near deictic demonstrative, corresponding to English this, these, are thus. The masculine singular, which does not differentiate in terms of case, is hadha. Note that the word has two alifs, as with the distal demonstrative corresponding to that, but the first is not shown in writing. All forms of hadha have an unwritten alif directly after the ha. The feminine singular, which does not differentiate in terms of case, is hadhihi. The nominative, which is a case, masculine dual, is hadhani. The accusative genitive, which are also cases, masculine dual, is hadhaina. The feminine nominative dual is hatane. The feminine accusative and genitive dual is hataina. The plural, which does not differentiate in terms of gender or case, is haula'i. The forms of the distal demonstrative corresponding to English that, those, are thus. The nominative singular, which does not differentiate in terms of case, is dhalika. Like hadha, this form has an unwritten alif directly after dhal. Only one other form of dhalika has this unwritten alif. The feminine singular, which does not differentiate in terms of case, is tilka. The masculine nominative dual is dhanika. The masculine accusative and genitive dual is dhainika. The feminine nominative dual is tanika, and the feminine accusative and genitive dual is tainika. The plural, which does not differentiate in terms of gender or case, is ulaika, with an unwritten alif after the lam. This concludes this video on the demonstratives of Arabic.